Hey, morning everybody. It's Keith from Jets PC. Well, the Lenovo ThinkPad E15 motherboard swap went well yesterday. That cleared up that really weird hardware issue it was throwing, and because it was starting to freeze and throw a blue screen error after about being on 2 or 3 hours. Well, and after the motherboard swap, it was on 6 or 7 hours with using it continuously and stressing it. Thermal stayed within reason and it didn't reboot. So I think it fixed the issue. Sometimes laptop motherboards just get hardware issues, especially as they, age from being brand new. So, I don't have to swap motherboards in laptops that often, but it's always good to do. It's not really that hard. You just have to take your time and be patient. One connection at a time, and don't get in a hurry, because if you get in a hurry, you wind up jacking up a connector or something. So, Today, I'm doing a screen swap on a Lenovo IdeaPad. This is consumer. And yes, that dreaded double-sided tape is back. The same, I hate to say it, but Lenovo in their consumer line of products is guilty of the same thing HP and Dell do, which is use that dang tape. I mean, that double-sided tape on both sides of the panel is strong enough to be on the space shuttle, much less, trying to pry out of there. And it's kind of like almost over-engineered, but not very easy to repair. So you can see where the manufacturers are trying really hard not to get you to fix these yourself. So, but with patience and persistence and knowing where to pry and when to stop prying and when to pull the tape, patiently as you pull that double-sided tape. Theoretically, it's supposed to peel off as you pull up. It peels off going down, and it's all supposed to come out in one fell swoop. Well, that seldom happens. Usually, it's 2 or 3 chunks, and you have to dig around with little tweezers and catch it again, and then pull some more. And it's just a pain, and they do it on purpose. But like I say, got the customer's brand new screen today, which is the touch panel, so that should be done here in a bit and returned to the customer. So we're always working on something. You never can tell what you find here at Jets PC. Come by and see our variety of inventory. We're at 7543 Grissom Road, Suite 121, and summer hours are Tuesday through Saturday, 10 to 7. Thanks for checking out today's video, and thanks for checking us out over on the YouTube channel. Y'all have a good day.